inside the arena in San Juan. Medyo malakas-lakas po yung ulan dito kanina. We actually could hear it inside the arena. Hopefully it's let up and some more people can come in later for the main event this Sunday afternoon. Ateneo versus NU ang maglalaban po mamaya. And right now, ito medyo UP. They're sitting on a 1-0 lead in this match against UST.
Now you see UST more aggressive, more movement on the floor. Unlike the first set na parang nakapaku yung mga paa nila sa court. Now we're seeing more aggressiveness for the side of UST. And UP finding it difficult to score points here at the start of this second set.
Eto, balik sa 7. Ang kalamangan ng UST, their biggest lead in the first set was 7. And doon nagsimula yung rally nitong UP. Let's see if they can duplicate that here in set number 2. Not yet.
Gumana na ang blocking ng business. Alvin Ramos, Las Marias having problems in attacks with the good blocking. Wow, look at that block by Natikla. And the floor coverage of UP has to expect that every time that there's going to be one of their teammates attacking, kailangan nakasuporta agad sila for coverage. There you go, same thing. Nice save though from Araneta this time.
Combination, yes! Caballejo, Gumana that time is the biggest lead of the match so far. At 9 points, 11-2.
First combination play for UST in this match.
Ito yung gusto natin malaman kanina. Doc, ano yung nangyari sa huddle ng UST in between sets after losing via a comeback ng UP nung set number 1 itong UST. Let's check in with Jazz Reyes.
You know, a win may be good for the UST Tigresses, but it may be a little bit too good as there was a bit of underestimating the opponent here. But sabi nga ni Coach Gina, UAAP game na ito, gising na tayo, gusto mo bang manalo? This is now the question that Coach Oji is posing for the girls. It isn't in Coach's philosophy to get mad, but he's really adamant about wanting to see the girls follow through with his reminders, which is to learn from your mistakes and take every opportunity to step up. Eric and Ian?
Thank you, Jazz. So yun yung nangyari sa huddle, yung pinagsasabi ni Coach Mamon to wake up itong Tigresses.
Well, I think Jazz just put it, you know, safe for TV. But I think there were more. There was more than that from Coach Mamon. But so what happened was during the first set, USC was just sleepwalking. Tulog pala sila nung lagay na yun. And with the start that they're having here in the second set, it's totally a different UST squad that ended that first set. Parang nga talaga silang nakatulog. Sabi nga parang there was a spell put in them.
Solid serve by Las Marias. Ito hirap na naman ang UST with reception. Free ball.
Same problem.
Wow! Rarely do you see Henido with that running hit, ano?
And that was against Ortiz and Banatikla. Two good blockers. But look at Henido. Avoid the block. Squeeze that ball past the defenders. And you can see her reaction after that, no?
UP starting off a mini rally here. Could this be parang carbon copy of the last one? We'll see.
There you go.
Ortiz says not yet.
Like what we said before, Michael Ortiz should take charge in moments like these. No? Pag nakikita niya yung kalaban, gaining the momentum again, he has to be aggressive and ask for the ball.
Oh, poor first touch on the part of Las Marias. A rare error from a girl who's really done most of the damage para sa UP dito.
And Tunay, Maria Carmela getting her point, getting that point from a free ball.
Araneta blocked. Tough setup para kay Magtalas. Here comes UST. biggest lead of USD at this point, 10, 15-5. Set number 2, let's listen to UP.
Time out. Waiting room.
Wala naman tayong ginagawa. Ginagawa nila almost the same din. Okay? So, nangyayari sa atin, tayo, unforced errors natin. Okay? Tayo hindi nakaka-create ng point. Tingnan nyo, nangyayari, di ba? Di ba? Pag close masyado dun sa net, ano naging problem ng spikers mo? Nahirapan pumalo, di ba? Same, kahit si net ako mapalo. So, better na medyo lagyan mo ng distance. Kahit sa 5, ganun din mangyayari. Okay? So, huwag ka matakot yung bigay ng middle. Kung kaya kailangan bigay ng middle, kahit take yung risk, okay yan. Ha? Bigay ka sa middle.
Yung situation natin, tingnan natin ha. Kaya rin habulin yan. Let's go ha. UP!
They've showed us that they do or they can come back from a huge deficit, pero that was 7. Iba ang pinag-usapan natin.
That's
10
right.
ang kalamangan, and at a later part of, well, not really. Kanina pala 17-10 yung hinabol ng,
That's right.
ng UP. Let's see here.
So, naantay ko sabihin sana ni Coach Gerald, oh, game na. Ito na yun.
Ito na. alam niyo na
Alam
paano.
niyo.
Well,
Nice.
could be it, Doc.
I know. Probably we missed a sign language.
Parang may switch eh.
Oh, parang meron silang code. Hindi natin nabasa agad.
Ito na yung point. Game.
Let's see if UP can duplicate what they did in that first set.
And nothing short of that is required dito.
Ito na naman yung serve, yung reception.
Free ball basically for UP. Let's see what they do. Araneta went
Back to back.
Wow, that's right on the line.
That's on the line. Avoiding the block again. Good setup job for Araneta. Back-to-back points. There you go.
2-0 run. UP. Here we are again, Doc.
Sabi ko na, we missed the hand
Ano bang
signal.
signal yun?
Our cameraman should during the next time focus on the hands. There must have been a hand signal from Coach Gerald saying, now, lamang na sila ng 10, let's go. Another
Solid
good serve.
Oh, but a stop there by USD's number 8, si Tunay. We have a timeout, 16-8. Lamang pa rin po ang USD ng 8 dito sa Arena in San Juan.